Dear all participants, seeing only few participants are here. Within 2 to 3 minutes, we'll start the function.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
We can start. All the participants are present over here, and the principal madam and all the heads of the department. Okay, we can start. Respected principal madam, heads of departments, my dear faculty colleagues, and my dearest participants. With the immense support of Department of ECE and the management, the Atal FTP on machine learning applications in micro nano VLSI technology successfully conducted for all the 5 days from 21st to 25th June 2021. It's my first FTP under Atal program, and I thank all the
Dr.
participants.
Parvati, can you be little louder? Sorry to interrupt you.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah.
It's my first FTP under Atal program, and I thank all the participants who made this journey possible and successful. In this journey, where I have found a hard thing is getting the right speaker. The theme was selected very different. I hardly found people working in this interdisciplinary area of VLSI and machine learning combination. Through the existing research papers, it is observed that most of the work is being done by foreign countries rather than India, and is still in the beginning phase, even from industry side too. I hope it is fortunate for us conducting the FTP on such latest theme. Latest theme that helps us in exploring more into latest technologies innovations that are today happening around the world. The speakers like Dr. Sandeep Singhal, head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, National Institute of Technology, National Institute of Technical Teachers Training Research, Chandigarh, Dr. Nishant Tikla, Google Research at Massachusetts, United States, and Dr. Amit Kamra, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana, have done justice by providing ML-based concepts. On the other hand, the speakers, experts, Dr. V. Narendra from NIT Warangal, Dr. Sanjit Sinha from Lalli Professional University, Dr. M. Chinnaya, Professor from BVRIT, Narsapur, Dr. G. Prasad, scientist here from NRSC, Dr. Martin Saigam from Karinya Institute of Technology and Science, and Dr. Muhammad Farooq Hamshi from NIT Warangal have made their fulfillment in giving the justice to the FTP theme by giving sessions on VLSI that link with ML and AI. The special session speakers, Adnan Dev Singh Sidhu and Dr. Aravind from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana, have done their best in sharing us the thoughts on how to balance life using techniques like breathe and meditations. Coming to the participants, very highly qualified participants have involved in this FTP. With lots of involvement, they brought this FTP a meaning. especially Dr. Manoj Sharma, Bharati Vidyapit College of Engineering, New Delhi, Dr. B.V. Uma from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore, Mr. Akash Vyal from Maharashtra, student of MTech, Gunjababu Penumanchi, A.V. Aran, and many more have involved a lot. And many questions they posed, so that has helped us in exploring into different kind of areas. I appreciate Mr. Akash for his enthusiasm and zeal. He has helped us in making a complete hands-on session in the FTP. I hope all the participants have learned the best out of this FTP. Thank you one and all for the wonderful opportunity given me. Now I invite the participants to express their feedback in order to improvise the organizing the system of FTP conducting. And over to the participants, kindly come forward to deliver or give you valuable feedback on this occasion. I request participants to unmute your videos as well as audios in giving the feedback, please.
Yes, good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon,
I am Uma from RV College of Engineering, Bengaluru. All the sessions were very nicely arranged and it was very informative. As I told yesterday, most of the FTPs experts will give only the overview, not in depth knowledge. In your FTP, all the experts, they have explained in depth so that we can take up our work in the future. Especially the most, for me, I can say it's not general opinion. For me, the most liked speaker is Dr. Chinnaya, who has explained very deeply because even we have Zinc 7000 board in our college, but we have not used so extensively for
Voice. I think network from madam side is. I think the network is madam side is there. So, Dr. Uma, are you in the line?
Ma'am, she's unmuted herself. She's muted.
Uma ma'am, please unmute ma'am. It's muted by mistake.
Acha.
Yes ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So
Thank you,
another
ma'am.
speaker I like the most is the Nishant, who is actually in MIT, very prestigious institution, and he's working in Google, but still he made his time free available for the talk, and he gave very nicely. That means what is machine learning and how it can be used up to the level, how we can do some work using that. He has explained very nicely. So I liked his speech also. And Dr. Prasad from NRSC. We feel very proud that our scientists are doing such a nice work and they are making our India proud. And most of these scientists, they will again give only overview saying that this is the work done, but he has explained so nicely how FPGA can be used and how machine learning can be adapted and what are the merits they got using the machine learning for the design of the satellite division. And that also I liked very much. And explanation of Orange tool by Amit Kamra, it was also very nice. We can explore further using the Orange tool. We can explore further how we can do work using the machine learning. And other experts also, Martin and Syed, I liked their talk very much. And overall, every talk was very nice. The most liked one I said because you wanted the actual feedback, so I am telling it. Not that others are bad. The most liked talk for me, I explained. And overall, it was very nice. They have given the detailed lab hands-on experiment also. Today morning, I could not attend Madam Parvati Madam because there was a meeting with Principal, Microwind. Anyhow, I was working with a cadence, so I thought, okay, I can skip that. But Orange tool and other collab and all, I liked very much. Definitely, we will take it forward. And this FDP has helped me a lot because I was HOD earlier and then now Dean student. I had some gap with academic. I was actually teaching all the VLSI courses like optimization, CAD tools, VLSI design, Verilog, and so on. Now I had a little gap because I moved into the administration section, but now I'm feeling that I should go back to my academic and do something because of the knowledge what I got from this FDP. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for the complete feedback. Each session you have given us the complete idea on how to get the experts and how to conduct in a different as well as an improvement way for the TPs. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next participant, any other persons, please?
Yes, am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I want to congratulate Dr. M. Parvati madam and the team. You have a successfully and grand success of this FDP. And all the expert, I will learn a lot from this FDP. And in all the session, we got a research problems, and so I can give to my student, right, for the research. And all the experts were excellent. All the sessions were excellent and nicely you have conducted everything in the flow and organized the manner. Right. So it is a grand success. I can say it's a grand success. You have completed successfully the FDP. And I mostly like your session, madam, morning your session. I like your the presents. All the sessions were presented very well nicely, but I mostly like today's your session. You have a nicely presented parallelly. You have a simulated, and so how it works, right? So that is very effective. I think I also myself I will implement in my teaching when I not less teach me using this the PPTs everything on it. I will switch to that tool and explain that. That will I think more effective as as a learner I felt today is more effective to be teach to our students. So thank you, madam. You have taught me even teaching methodology with the concept. Right? That is, and you are working totally a new concept in ML in a VLSI design. Madam, you have worked hard, right? Even I can understand because as few days back I have a coordinated one Atal FDP on even in a VLSI design during the 7th to 11th June itself, right? So I can understand, madam, you have worked hard for that. And you have replied every student, every participant's query in a WhatsApp group. So it is very difficult to handle in a single handed or maybe you have your teams, entire teams have worked hard, right? And you have replied every common query. Even I have posted one query for the browser I required to upload in our DT portal Gujarat. I am from the Gujarat Government Engineering College, Rajkot. Right? So to take the permission from the DT Director of Technical Education, we required a brochure, and I have searched in the Atal, but actually 200 participants has registered, so there were no in a Atal portal that has on. So I have requested the madam, and madam immediately sent me even from its busy schedule. So madam, it shows you have worked hard for that, and it's a grand success. Congratulations to you and the entire team. Thank you, madam. And I am being very lucky for attending this exhibition. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful feedback. Really glad for
having this kind of participants and who are involving a lot, and the involvement of participants from the beginning have boosted up my energy. I like to say thank you so much. And other participant, Akash, how are you? Akash? Not,
You're not, or
this is not coming.
please unmute yourself.
Audible now? Yes.
Yes, but low voice it seems. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, my teacher Panchashila ma'am has introduced me this course, and this course is really worth it. It's taught me so many things. Uh, and
Voice
now
is not audible, ma.
there is so much.
Breaking.
There is so much to learn, and that realization is, I think, very good, because I think it's, so many features and all. It was so good,
Voice.
so popular.
Akash, voice is not coming, ma.
Akash, your voice is breaking. If possible, you just unmute your video and you.
Mute your video and continue with the voice only.
Come back.
Maybe because of low bandwidth, better you mute your video. We are not getting voice, ma. His side, the network is a little bit slow. It seems. Let us see whether he'll join. So Akash, are you there? Or else anybody continue that maybe you join. Other participants? Yes. Sir, not coming Bijbab.
Sir, please kindly unmute.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
please.
Yeah, ma'am. Good
Now
afternoon,
you can-
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, I got the link by means I don't know, but I could able to register for this. And day one, it has started with a great smile from one of the legendary personality. Yeah, the person instructed us to keep on smiling. Of course, even we are observing the principal ma'am and other people are always with a smile. Yeah, that indicates that it's a healthy environment. I think the sessions and everything, alignment, and the sequence of things, good, ma'am. And especially, I can say Orange tool. So we don't know. In fact, we don't know. As academicians, many of the people could understand that we always bounded to teach the things as per the syllabus only. But people are asking for, you just upgrade yourself. But we are not getting a platform to upgrade. We are not getting a scope to enhance our skill sets. Even though if we know something, even we don't have a scope to express things itself. But things are very, very well, ma'am. Orange tool or else FPGA configuration with all the machine learning applications. Particularly today's session is about device modeling. Yeah, I'm with a little bit experience to work out with schematics and layouts modeling. And yeah, of course, I'm not having a good opinion about microwind, in fact. But till today, I'm not saying that right now, till today, I don't know this is the actual utilization of microwind. I feel that microwind is a normal tool which could be used for an MTech level, that's it. But because of session taken by Dr. Padma, Madam, Parvati Madam, yeah, now I could able to understand that, yes, by using even microwind tool also, we could able to produce papers. That's it, ma'am. That's really, I think it is really matching the learning outcomes, because learning new things will always a part of achieving learning outcomes. Yeah, really, ma'am, right from the heart of my bottom of my heart, thank you so much for making me to take part in this session. Generally, people are not ready to take these sessions because we are busy with, so many things. Anyway, hardly I'm getting time to participate, but I did some justification to this session. I learned something. Yes, in future I could able to use to the possible extent this piece of knowledge I wanted to present in front of my co-scholars as well as my colleagues and my students also. Thank you very much and for making this session, allowing me to take part. For all the speakers, I know how much pain it is to align and to follow as per time slots. It is tough for us, but sincere thanks to Parvati ma'am as well as Principal ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you all for this wonderful session, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and the words which you are telling us so impressive, and we are getting a lot of energy to conduct many more FTPs like this. And really, I felt difficulty in getting the expert persons, as you said, but some could able to find out finally the kind of the people who are matching with the theme of the FTP. So finally, it has come to reality finally. Thank you so much. And any other participants, please? I request any other participants to unmute and come forward for the feedback.
Hello, ma'am. I am Akash.
Akash, yes, ma.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. So I was telling that it was a very, very good sessions, and I have learned so much. I have learned so much because my teacher, Miss Panchashila Kamble ma'am, has recommended me this course, and this course is completely worth it. I have never used Tanner tool. I have never used Orange tool. I have never used any of those tools. But now I know all these things and I know the starting point. Okay, and one thing I realized that there is so much to learn. So I think it's just a start, and I think and the teachers were so good, and we need such teachers, right? So the so thank you so much for that.
Yeah, in fact, I have to say thanks to you because the kind of involvement that you gave us is to explore many things, to explain many ways and many different ways, and to satisfy the level of the to satisfy. We are thinking like we have to completely satisfy to the participant. That in that way we have thought the way you gave us the involvement. Thank you so much, Akash, for your
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
time to involvement in the sessions and all. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
Anybody else participants?
Good afternoon. This is Dr. T. Ravi, Professor and Head of the Department from Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. First of all, I congratulate Parvati ma'am and Principal ma'am because you have organized wonderful, FDP for our faculty members, and also first and thankful to Parvati ma'am and the Principal ma'am and the whole team. The every session organized is well. In timing management, everything is very nice, and also always you people are with the smiling face and you are interacting with the session. Guests as well as the participants, and also the organizing. I thank to the organizing team also, ma'am. And you have arranged the sessions are very much wonderful, and also it is a very informative sessions because I have attended so many adult programs, and this is one of the wonderful program. So in my knowledge database, I got some new stones, and it's entered into my knowledge database, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you for feedback. I'm looking for some the other way of feedback so that we can improve further DPS. Other way in the sense any kind of remarks, negative remarks, wanted to see that also, please. That really helps.
Madam, I don't hear.
Yes, yes, Aruna.
Madam, I'm not a faculty. I'm a research scholar and I'm from Kerala. I am basically in VLSI domain. So from the last lockdown session only, I have started learning about this data science and machine learning, etc. So from that time, I was searching for this link between machine learning and VLSI. So I have searched everywhere, but only in this portal I can find this connection only. So congratulations for the topic you have chosen.
Thank
It
you,
is a very variety topic, and all the sessions were really good. For example, even when I have studied data science, I haven't known about this Orange tool. So it was a very refreshing course for me. And one only, that is not a negative, only one suggestion, the time management can be improved because some of the sessions didn't go according to the schedule. So there was no break. So we have to rush and we have to get the lunch and return back. So we may lose some 10 minutes of a session because the sessions were so really good that even 10 minutes was so valuable. So please, in the next sessions, please note that time management also. So I hope after this COVID pandemic and everything, if you organize a offline session in your college, I would like to come there and participate in such events. Thank you, madam. And one more thing, I have so many doubts remaining also to Parvati ma'am. I will contact you personally about RC extraction and all everything.
Yes, please. Yes, yes. Together, collaboratively together, definitely not only you, any of the participants also. I will keep the WhatsApp group as it is, and the people who wanted to be in that WhatsApp group can stay there. Stay back in that group itself, so that collaboratively we can do many works in future also. Thank you so much for the feedback. Yeah. And any other participants, please? Any other participants? So that we can go ahead for the rest of the things. Yeah, I hope, madam, principal madam, I think we can move on to the other kind of thing. I request principal madam to give valedictory remarks on this occasion of the FDP, 5-day FDP that was conducted from 21st to 25th continuously with the cooperation of the participants as well as from all the team members. I request principal madam to address the gathering on this occasion. Over to madam.
Good evening, all of you. Welcome you all once again for the valedictory function. Very nice to listen to the feedback. I'm very happy to know that there is a good learning. One new tool, I think you are able to explore, and good to know that you could get confidence even how to go with innovatively in your teaching method. Thank really Dr. Uma, Dr. Hashmukh, Dr. Bujibabu, Dr. Ravi, and Mr. Arun for your valuable inputs. As Arun said, time management, yes, always that's a big challenge for any FDP. Definitely we'll take care of every point, whatever you have mentioned. I'm so happy that everybody really enjoyed the sessions. Hope, I don't think this more than this, nothing is expected from any FDP. When there is a good learning, when people are really happy about to continue further in that direction, applying machine learning on VLSI, if you people are able to get a starting point, I think more than that, nothing can be expected from this FDP. Definitely, we are really happy to have people even offline also in the campus once the things become normal. We will be continuously conducting a lot of things. We may have a international conference soon. And in the August month, we have one more Atal FDP on 9th to 13th of August on the topic challenges and control of green and sustainable energy systems using artificial intelligence technique. So you're all welcome even for that FDP also. Thank you all. I am so happy that there is very good interaction happened during the sessions. In the online mode, the main worry was mainly about the interaction, but I think you people really enjoyed. You people really made even the speakers also to be very happy in giving the sessions, because the speakers also told like they are very happy about the way you people have interacted. So thank you all. I take this opportunity even to thank all the speakers who have spent their valuable time in giving the best sessions. And I really take this opportunity. I think you have given the good applause to my team. So personally also, I appreciate the coordinator, Dr. Parvati, and her team, Sri Devi, Rajesh, and the in-charge HOD, Praveena, academic professor, Nagavishnuvardhan, and all the faculty of EC department for successfully conducting this workshop. I wish all the participants all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your words are really good. But I think it is the time to present my vote of thanks from bottom of my heart. Really. First and foremost, I should thank the AICTE Adult Department for selecting our FDP. Because out of those many applications, so they have taken our FDP application. Journey started in fact taken. I thank all the members who involved in selecting this application and approving our FDP, and to AICTE from my bottom of the heart. And a big thanks to each one of the participants who have registered from the beginning, and really to say the participants, by seeing the brochure itself, within a week it was completed with all the 200 members of the participants. Really, participants have made a lot in this FDP. I thank each one of the participants. I have contacted many of the people. In fact, even in the industry people also, I have contacted Riley, Qualcomm, and many other industry people, but I couldn't get the people from France. This is even in the industry side also newly they are deploying. They used to tell me like after 1 year, after 6 months, like that. But whoever the speakers I have contacted from the academic side and the industry, from NRSC, from Google Research, they have really immediately accepted my fortune, really to say they have accepted invitation, and they have accepted, like they have suggested certain kind of session topics, and they have come forward. Really, I wondered with the cooperation from them. I thank each one of the session speakers in this regard. Then coming to the management, from our management, Dr. KVN Sunita Madam, the guru, the leader, what not to say, my beloved role model to me every time. I used to get energy by seeing her, because such a wonderful personality, and who stood forward every time to guide us in many ways, in all the directions. So that because of the management and the principal madam, as well as vice principal sir, so because of the management cooperation, all the FDP have brought out as a grand success. Thank you, madam. Thank you all. Then I thank Professor of In-charge Academics, Dr. Nagavishnuvardhan. From the beginning of project preparation and the kind of invitation preparation, every point to point, he suggested me in a good way to come out of the work very nicely. The complete the work behind the FDP have done very well. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind directions and the guidance. I thank all the head of the departments, IT, CSC, and the especially each one of the head of the department have cooperated well. The moment once we ask for the tool like WebEx online platform or any other kind of things, they have cooperated well. Thank you all. Thank you for the cooperation, for wonderful cooperation. And I thank all the faculty members also who involved the director or indirectly FDP grant success. And at the same time, I thank our faculty coordinators who worked day and night related to this activity, and we have conducted mock sessions. We have conducted mock tests also. We have conducted mock attendances. Everything done among the 4 members. We have worked a lot really on this activity because it is the first FDP conducting, and we wanted to conduct in a successful way. So that has helped a lot really. Coming to the non-teaching staff members, the computer operator, lab assistants, Mr. Yusufadam, computer operator, and Mr. Ganesh, then Mr. Prasad, and Srinivas, everybody cooperated on time. They were always here to help us in setting up the things and as well as to cooperate and travel. Thank you, non-teaching staff and the house. Finally, everybody to everyone who involved directly or indirectly, thank you so much for making this happen. Thank you all. Thank you to one another.
Congratulations, madam.
Yes, thank you, sir. Hello. 1 second. All the participants, please unmute your videos, please, so that we will take a peek. All the participants, unmute your videos 1 second. Thank you all. I think we can discuss, and once again, thank you, Anita, for the participation.
Thank you all.